So tell me the question, the doubt you have. 6, 8, 6, 7, once again 6. This is the number. Okay, so what I'm going to write down, this is called, we know the normal division mathematics where we will write down 6, 7, 6, 8 like this and we can solve the question, right? But if we have to solve it using Vedic mathematics, then what we are going to do, we will write it down 74 like this. Okay, this is called as plan. So now what is the next? Next is I will going to write down 6, 7, 6 and 8. But 8 is going to in the second one. Okay, so this is about we are going to formatting the question. Now what's the process? We are going to write down the quotient here. So 7 is there and 6 is the number. Can we divide 6? No, we can't divide. So we are going to take 67. So 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63. So 9 is the quotient. What is the 63? So what is the remainder? 4. So this number will become 46. So we need to subtract 9 into 4, that is minus 36. So what is the remaining number? So the remainder is 46 minus 36, that is 10. So we have to divide 10 with 7. So 7 1 ja. So we have a 3, 38. 38 minus 4. 4 or 7. So what is the number? 34. So 34. 7 7 ja. 7 4 ja 28. So 4 is here. And what is the quotient? So what I am going to write down, I am making it a little bit bigger, so it will be easy for you. 9 1. So the 9, this is the 1, and this is exactly the 1. This is the 4, right? 7 4 ja, we can write down 28. So what is the next number? Actually, if we have to do the value moving further, what we have to do, we will have to perform with the division, decimal. If we can't take the decimal value, then we will have to write down the quotient and remainder. So in this case, what is the quotient? If we don't have to go to the decimal place, then quotient is what? Quotient is 91. And what? Yes. And what is the remainder? Remainder is not 4, 34. Yeah, I will tell you. So this is not, remainder is not 4, remainder is actually 34. 38 minus 4, that is 34. So 34 is the remainder and 91 is the quotient. Now moving further. So what I am going to do, I will consider it like a decimal here. Okay. So now we can put 0 here, right? If we take decimal here, we can put 0 here. So what is the remainder after division? It will be 4. So 4, look, initially, so this is the actually remainder, as you can see here, right? Now I am making it a decimal format. To make it a decimal, we will have to put decimal here, right? So now I can write down 0 here and now I can divide. So if you 7 4 ja 28, so we can write down 4 here. So 28, so we have only 6 here. So the 6 will go here. So now, actually, here is 0. Yes. So 60 is the number. So what is the next procedure? 4 4 ja 16. If you subtract, then you will get 44. So 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42. So we have a 2. We can write down 0 here because we have a decimal, so we can write down n number of 0 here, right? So I am putting 0 here. So 7 6 are 42. So we have a 2 remainder. So this is the 20. So 20 and minus this is 20. So 24. Right? Yes. Yes. So this is a question. Oh, you have a doubt here only? Okay. Not a worries. So not also, I will going to give you a little correction and it will be very easy. So now this number will become a 20 because we can't subtract 20 minus 24. So what I have to do, instead of division with 6, I am going to divide with 5. So 7 5 ja 35. So what is the remainder now? When the value is not possible to subtract because this value is smaller and this value will become a bigger, so you have to go back to the previous stage and do one less than the quotient. So because this is a 6, so I make it a 5. Okay, so now 7 5 ja 35. So we have a 9 remainder here, right? 35 or 44. So 90 minus 20. So we have a 70. 70, not 74. So 70. So 7. So 7 10 ja 70. Right? Or so the answer is 91.451. You can write down 0, but after this one there is a no value of 0. So what you can write down? You can simply write down 91.45. You can go, but there is no anything you have to divide it. So that's the final answer. Okay. Okay. Don't worry. Actually, I didn't tell you this method because I wanted to make it clear from your side first. If you do the practice, then you will know where I am going to stuck. I purposefully I didn't teach you this method because I wanted to. I need a dedication from your side as well. If you don't do the practice, you don't get any case where the number is 20 and the case is, and then you have to subtract 24. So you have to, no, that will not work. That will not. That okay, very good. So now you can pretty much clear about the process, right? So you can.